Salut! When it comes to using colors to describe clothing, it's fairly simple. You just have to remember how adjectives work. The phrase de quelle couleur means what color is it? So I could say something like Tu vas porter un t-shirt de quelle couleur? You're going to wear a t-shirt. What color t-shirt are you going to wear? De quelle couleur? Quelle is feminine, which means couleur is feminine too. Here are examples of how you will use your color adjectives, where they go, and how to make them agree. First of all, you need to recall that colors are just normal adjectives, and French adjectives go after the noun that they describe. They do not go in front like in English. So I'm not going to say a blue t-shirt. I'm going to say un t-shirt bleu. And I will put the color after the thing that it describes. Colors in French also have to agree. Again, they're regular adjectives, so they have to agree in number. Are they singular or are they plural? If they're plural, they might need an S or some other plural ending. And they must agree in gender. Are they describing something masculine or feminine? You'll need to change the spelling of your color accordingly. Here are 4 examples, masculine, feminine, singulars, and plurals. A blue hat. Remember the word a is un. You can also use le for the. I'm going to use the indefinite articles here, un, une, and des. Un chapeau bleu. So a hat blue, everything agrees. They're all masculine singular. Whereas something plural like gloves, you have 2 of them. You're going to say des gants bleus with an S on all 3 of these. Des plural, gants plural, bleu plural. A blue baseball cap. Baseball caps are feminine. So instead of un, we're going to have une casquette bleue with a silent E on the end of our color bleu to match. Notice how everything now ends in the letter E. This is called agreement. And then something feminine plural, sneakers. We will say des baskets bleues with an ES on the end to make our color feminine and plural, just like these feminine plural sneakers. Bleu sounds the same in all of these examples. Un chapeau bleu, des gants bleus, une casquette bleue, des baskets bleues. But if I had a color like green, I will hear pronunciation differences here. But I do need to flip these two. I apologize for the typo. This would be un chapeau vert, des gants verts with an S, une casquette verte, feminine singular, des baskets vertes. So that extra E brings out the T consonant in the color green, vert. Do you recall all of your colors? If so, fast forward through this. If not, let's look at them. Red is rouge, orange is orange, yellow is jaune, green, vert, blue, bleu, purple, violet, black, noir, white, blanc, gray, gris, pink. I don't know why that showed up in a blue color, but rose, we'll go with it. Brown, marron. You might also see the color brun, usually referring to hair color, but brun also works for brown. Again, rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, noir, blanc, gris, rose, marron. The feminine forms, here's what they look like. And then for plurals, put S's on all of these except for orange and marron. Orange and marron are invariable. They never get S's, they never get extra feminine endings, and that is because they are color words, but they're also food words too. Orange is obvious, it's an orange. Marron is a chestnut. Rouge already ends in an E, the feminine form is the same, rouge. Orange doesn't change. Jaune stays jaune. Vert becomes vert. Bleu, bleu with an E. Violet is special, you double the T, violette. Noir gets an E. Blanc is special, you change it to blanche with an H-E. Gris becomes grise. That S sound sounds just like a Z, grise. Rose stays the same and stays blue for some reason. And marron is invariable, so I don't do anything to that word. Rouge, rouge. Orange, orange. Jaune, jaune. Vert, verte. Bleu, bleu. Violet, violette. Noir, noir. Blanc, blanche. Gris, grise. Rose, rose. Marron, marron. And a reminder that if you were describing something plural like gloves, you would put S's on these words, except for orange and brown. So let's try it out. Here are some items. You can try this out loud, but I would prefer if you pause the video and try to write what you see. That way you can write in extra endings if they are masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. So pause this and try to write what you see. For example, I see un gant jaune, one glove that's yellow. Here are the rest of them after you've paused and tried it out yourself. I see un jean bleu, blue jeans. I see un pantalon noir, un t-shirt orange. I gave you a lot of masculine ones to be nice. Une montre blanche. Une montre is a watch. Des baskets vertes. Sneakers are feminine plural, so verte is feminine plural. Notice the word des, that means some. And un pull rouge. So if you wanted to keep trying this, here are a whole bunch of clothing items. If you wanted to try and practice and write it down, I will not take you through the answers because this would be a very long video. But for colors, you will take the item, let's say une robe, then add the color une robe rouge. Now if it's got two colors like red and white, I could say une robe rouge et blanche. Both colors would match, aka be feminine singular in this instance. Another example, un maillot blanc et bleu. Une cravate rose. So my colors go after and they have to agree. Au revoir.